Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my soleh-soleha students? May Allah always protect us from any disease every time and everywhere. Hi, with Ustazah Rani here, and it means you are going to learn about math again. Alright, students, last meeting, we already learned about how to sorting numbers or object, right? Now we are going to learn, it is still about handling data, but we are going to learn about making and understanding graphs. So today, we are going to learn about two kind of graphs. The first is about pictograph, and then the second is about block graph. Nah, let's see how pictograph and block graph looks like. Nah, students, you can see here, there is the data. Here are the favorite food of 22 children, right? There are potatoes, ice cream, cake, beans, and bread. So the data is shown by this picture. And then, where is we called pictograph? So the pictographs is this one. You can see here, this is an example of pictograph. Why? Because we using this symbol or star, this star to represent the picture, to represent each favorite food, right? For example, potato 4 star. It means there are 4 students like potatoes. And then ice cream about 6 star. It means 6 stars means there are 6 students like ice cream and so on. This is we call pictogram or pictograph because it use star. It use star to represent the data, right? So there are a clue. Each each star stand for one children. All right. So usually a pictograph, we using a table, and then we divided the table by 2. This one, the one side represent the object, and then the other side represent is how many of the data. All right. So let's move to the next explanation. It is about block graph. Yeah, so how is block graph looks like. Okay, so wait a minute, students. It's still load. Wait a minute. Nah, this one is example of block graph. So the difference between pictogram and block graph is according to the graph, absolutely. If the first we using a picture to represent the data, now we using a block to represent the data. So, for example, this one block will be represent about one child, right? So when you put one block like this, it will be represent the data. For example, the first potato, we have 4 children love potatoes, so we can draw 4 children here. How about ice cream? The first is we know there are 7 students love ice cream. So we have to draw a block graph about 7 times like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, yeah, I think 6 students. Because there are 6 students love ice cream. For example like this. Nah, so that is the difference between block graph and pictograph. If block graph we using block to represent the data, in the pictograph we using picture to represent the data, which is in this case the picture is about star, right? So the star, this one, the star represent about the data. So that's why we call this is pictograph, because we using a picture of stars to represent the data. Like block graph, we using block to represent the data. Alright, students. Now your task is about making pictographs, right? Depend on you about the data. For example, the data is favorite food, or the data is about favorite color, or the data is about favorite toys, and depend on you. But you have to make it represent the data by using a picture. You can using another picture also. For example, do you want to make it uh, favorite food, maybe, yeah, favorite food, and do you want to using this picture? You can do that, or any picture, depend on you, any symbol represent the data. I have example here. Right, so this is an example of pictogram, yeah. So I make it a pictogram looks like this. And then I explain it. You have to explain. For example, for me, I will explain this data. For example, yeah. Okay. So my explanation is, hi, my name is Rani, and then now I will explain about a pictogram. Here I have a data. The 3 students makes cupcake. The first student is Rido, makes 3 cupcakes. The second is Tari, makes 4 cupcakes. And Rani makes 2 cupcakes. And I represent this data by using this pictogram. So each picture like this will be represent 1 cupcake. And the pictograms look like this. Rido 3 cupcakes, Tari 4 cupcakes, and Rani 2 cupcakes. Nah, looks like that. You can make it pictograms look like that. Look like this. Depend on you. What is the data? You want to using the data like what? All right, students. Okay, students. I think that's all about the explanation. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.